And I'll be showing you how to use Plug Toolbox. I mentioned this in a different video, but I didn't show you how to use it yet, so I'll show you how. You just tap Worlds Plus, name it whatever you want. I'm naming it Test. Invent World. Creative Mode World. You can enter a seed if you have a seed. Then you could choose like whatever kind of item you want. Like if you want stone, you can get 64 or 1, whatever, however many you want. You can get like, I want a protection 10 piece of stone. Then you click this, export to Minecraft. It will start importing it to Minecraft. And then it will be finished. Then just save and quit your world if you're even in the world. If you even are in a Minecraft world, then just click whatever your world name was, and it has a little like plug picture on it. And then when you load up the world, it will have Stone Protection X. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it was helpful, subscribe. Bye.